Hola, muchachos, my friends. It's the Ocho Man with Ocho.com. Say, folks, the Ocho Man's got another interesting play here. It's in Brazil. It's between Atlético Mineiro at home taking on Atlético Paranaense. Mineiro, they're coming off a big loss here. 4-1 thrashing on the hands of Cruzeiro. But now, like I said, they're at home. Traditionally this season, they have been playing pretty good at home. But you know what? That's with Bernard. Bernard, he just flew off to Europe. And I tell you what, Mineiro is not the same team without Bernard. Suddenly, Mineiro becomes very slow. And when they're slow, I think Paranaense has a great shot here. I believe they can score a goal, and I think Mineiro will score a goal too. I look for this game to be a 1-1 tie. I think Paranaense is a nice blue-collar team, and they have just the right chemistry here to keep this thing close. I don't think Mineiro will separate at all in this game. I look for this game to be under on the first half, 1.5. I look for it under there. I look for a 1-1 tie. I look for the under on the 2.5. I look for a even amount of goals. That's another prop play. And you know what? Here's how many goals will be scored. I'm saying 2 on that one, folks. This is what the Ocho Man's got on this game. I don't see this one being a high-scoring game at all. So go to Ocho.com. Go to Ocho.com, see our casino action going on. If you need any help, we got people there you can call. We can make it all happen for you, folks. Ocho.com is where you want to be. Ocho Man is out of here.